Good day, everyone. I'm Sir RG Layson, your math tutor and guide on this exciting journey through the world of numbers. In this video, we will discuss all about adding and subtracting similar rational algebraic expression. Before we proceed to our main lesson about adding and subtracting similar rational algebraic expression, let's have an activity first and at the same time recall about reducing the following terms to the lowest term. So we have 12 over 6, 16. So how can we reduce this one? So let's follow the steps in reducing fractions. Find the greatest common factor or the GCF and then divide the numerator and denominator by the GCF. So the GCF for 2 and 16 is 2. So 2 divide 2 is 1 and 16 divide 2 is 8. So that is the lowest term for 2 over 16 is 1/8. For 18 over 24, their GCF is 6. Then divide both numerator and denominator by the GCF. We have 18 divide 6. We have 3 and 24 divide 6 is 4. For 16 over 2, the GCF is 2. So 16 divide 2 is 8. And 2 divide 2 is 1. So that means 8 over 1 or 8. For 10py over 60, so the GCF or the GCMF for this one is 10. So divide both numerator and denominator by 10. So 10py divide 10 is py or 1py. And 60 divide 10 is 6. That means the lowest term for 10py over 60 is py over 6. And last one, we have py squared over p cubed y cubed. So the GCMF for this one is py squared. So that means divide both sides, both numerator and denominator by py squared. So that we have now py squared divide py squared is 1. And then p cubed y cubed divide py squared is p squared y. That is the lowest term for the given term. So let's proceed now in steps in operating similar rational algebraic expressions. First, we need to write the given as an expression. Second, combine like terms in the numerator by addition and express the sum in reduced form. And at the same time also in subtracting, we just need to we just need to distribute the operation to simplify the second term. So we have here now 8p over 3 plus 5p over 3. Now you look at their denominator, so they have the same denominator there. So that means they are similar rational algebraic expression. So all we need to do is we just need to copy the denominator and then combine like terms. 8p plus 5p is 13p over 3. So if the given expression can be simplified, or you can simplify to lowest term, so you need to simplify that one. Example number 2, we have 8x plus 3 over 2 plus 2x minus 7 plus 2. So we just need to combine like terms. So they have the same denominator now here. So you just need to copy the denominator and combine like terms. 8x plus 2x, we have 10x. And then 3 minus 7, we have negative 4. Now you look at the numerator. We can simplify the numerator by factoring, no? So what are their GCMF there? For 10x and 4, we have 2. And then factor out 2 there. So the other factor is 10x divide 2 is 5x. Negative 4 divide 2 is negative 2x over 2. And then we can reduce there or cancel out 2 and 2. And then we have now the simplest form for this one is the remaining values. Rather, we have 5x minus 2. Example number 3, we have x squared plus 4 over 2x plus 4 plus 5x plus 2 over 2x plus 4. Since we do have the same denominator, we just need to copy the denominator and combine the like terms in the numerator. We have x squared, so thus x squared we have like terms here, so we don't have, diba? And then 5x also, we don't have the like terms. Only 4 and 2 are like terms. They are constant terms. So combine the constant terms. And you need to remember that we need to arrange the given expression in the largest exponent to the constant term. So x squared plus 5x and 4 plus 2, we have 6 over 2x plus 4. Now, to simplify this one, let's recall the factoring general trinomial where a is equal to 1. And also in denominator, we need to factor out by their greatest common monomial factor. So for numerator, x squared plus 5x plus 6. So the factor for that one is x plus 2 times x plus 3. And for the denominator, their GCMF is 2. So the other factor is x plus 2. So all you need to do is you just need to cancel out the same terms in the numerator and denominators, which is the x plus 2 and x plus 2. Now, the remaining terms here now in our given expression is x plus 3 over 2. Example number 4, we have 5x minus 3 over 6 plus x minus 9 over 6. So since we do have the same denominator, so copy the denominator and then combine the like terms in the numerator. For 5x, we have like term which is x, so 5x plus x, we have 6x, and negative 3 minus 9, we have negative 12. And then in the numerator, we can factor out this one, 6x minus 12. Their GCMF is 6. And then the other factor is 6x divided 6 is x. Negative 12 divided 6 is negative 2. Then we can simplify this one by canceling 6, both numerator and denominator. So the remaining terms here, or the lowest or the simplest form for the given expression, is x minus 2. Example number 5, we have x squared minus 2 over x minus 1 minus x over 1 minus x. Now, as you can notice that the denominator, they don't have the same denominator, right? So if we arrange the denominator by following the general trinomial, no? So we need to simplify this one, or to arrange the given expression. For the second term or the second denominator, we have negative x plus 1. So in the first denominator, we have x minus 1. So all we need to do here is we just need to factor out the value of the negative 1 in the second denominator, so that we can have the same denominator for the first given expression. So we have now negative 1, factor out negative 1, so we have negative x divided negative 1, we have positive x, and 1 divided negative 1 is negative 1. So now, since our denominator here has the value of negative 1, so that means all of the given expression now will be turned into negative x over x minus 1. And then, since we have a negative subtraction sign here, and the second term is a negative value, so negative times negative, it will turn out into positive now. So first, copy the first numerator, which is the x squared minus 2. And then, since we have negative times negative, we have now positive x over, and then we have now the same denominator, which is the x minus 1. Now, how to simplify this one? We just need to factor the numerator by general trinomial, factoring general trinomial where your a is equal to 1. So the factor for this one is x plus 2 times x minus 1 over x minus 1. Then cancel both numerator and denominator now. In here, x minus 1. So the remaining, or the simplest form for the given expression, is x plus 2. For example number 6, we have 2x minus 3 over 3x squared plus x minus 2 minus negative x minus 1 over 3x squared plus x minus 2. So since we do have the same denominator, we just need to simplify the terms in the numerator. So copy the denominator and then simplify here. To simplify now class, if you have a subtraction sign here, so you just need to distribute the values in each term in the second term. So we have negative times negative x, we have positive x, and negative times negative 1, we have positive 1. So it will turn out here to 2x minus 3, copy the first terms of the numerator. Then as I said earlier, we just need to distribute or multiply the given subtraction value to each terms of the second numerator. So negative times negative x, that's why it turned out to positive x. And then negative times negative 1, that's why it turns out to positive 1. And then simplify the expression, combine like terms. 2x plus x, we have 3x. And then negative 3 times 1, negative 3, sorry, negative 3 plus 1, we have negative 2. So in denominator, we had 3x plus x minus 2. So we need to factor out this one using general trinomial where a is greater than 1. So if you do have time to please recall on how to factor out general trinomial where a is greater than 1, which is the given expression here. The factor for this one is 3x minus 2 and x plus 1. And then cancel the same terms in numerator and denominator, which is 3x minus 2. So the remaining value for the numerator is 1, and for the denominator is x plus 1. So the simplest form for this given expression is 1 over x plus 1. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you've learned something out of this lesson. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you do have questions, you can comment down. Thank you, guys, and goodbye.